Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on latest Gulf jobs today. I'm going to cover more than 30 plus job posting in today's video and there are many free recruitments as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And friends, please subscribe if you're new on this channel because I'm posting latest Gulf jobs on a daily basis. So friends, the first posting is for UAE and it's a completely free recruitment, long-term project. The positions are safety assistant, planning assistant, QA/QC assistant, lab technician, storekeeper assistant, and trained riggers. Only ECNR passport holders can apply for this job. You can see the contact details below, the mobile number and email ID. So if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then you can immediately send your documents. Next, free recruitment is for Saudi. There will be online interview for this position and the position is steel structure QC inspector. Minimum 3 years of experience in Saudi Aramco companies. Contract 1 year renewable. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Salary will be negotiable. 10 hours per day working will be there and 28 days per month. So these are the contact details. Next is for Korea. It's a free recruitment and interviews will be online. The position is heavy lifting and rigging specialist. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. BTech mechanical or civil. Minimum 5 years of experience. Proficiency in CAD software. Long term project. So these are the contact detail. You can take a screenshot if needed. So friends, this posting is for Korea and it's a completely free recruitment. Next free recruitment is for Saudi and interview will be online for this posting as well. The positions are electrician, HVAC maintenance technician. All candidates must have good English communication skills. ITI or diploma education is required. All candidates must have experience in Middle East, must have worked in maintenance project. Four-wheeler driving license is mandatory, India or Gulf. So these are the contact details and friends, this is a long-term project. Next free recruitment is for Dubai. The positions are safety assistants, planning assistant, QA/QC assistant, civil lab technician, storekeeper assistant. Okay, we have seen this posting already. So 2 years contract. Next free recruitment is for Saudi power transmission project. The positions are planning engineers, electrical and civil, project engineer, electrical and civil, site engineer, civil, safety engineer or officer must have Saudi driving license. So bachelor degree with 10 years of experience in power transmission line projects. Saudi Council of Engineers certification is required, will be preferred. These are the contact details for your reference. Next free recruitment is for Abu Dhabi for an international oil and gas company. Immediate departure. The positions are fire watcher, hole watcher, mechanical helper and grinding helpers. Attractive salary with free food, accommodation and only ECNR candidates need to apply. So interview will be on 28 like today. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment. An international company required for their oil and gas project. The position is HSE officers. Number of openings are 20. Both should have GCC experience in oil and gas project. Shortlisting is in progress. So you can see the contact details of Kochi office. The email ID is segalkochi@gmail.com. You can see the multiple contact numbers are mentioned in the posting. You can call them for any queries. Next is for Saudi long-term project, online interviews. The positions are QC batch plant inspector, QC piping inspector, QC wall test inspector, QC RTFI inspector, QC painting and insulation inspector, QC instrument inspector, QC coating inspector, prevention, QC electrical inspector. So friends, it's a free recruitment. It means there will be no service charge. You can take a screenshot of the contact details and you can share this video with your friends or you can share in the WhatsApp groups for Gulf jobs so that people can get benefit of free recruitments. Next requirement is for Oman, and the position is project control lead, mechanical or civil engineering. 18 years of EPC experience in construction of well pads, well sites, underground pipeline construction in offload development projects. Should have led team of planners, cost engineers, quantity surveyors in a multinational dollar construction company or projects. So friends, these are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Oman again. The position is proposal engineer, BE BTech in mechanical engineering, minimum 8 to 12 years of experience of proposals at construction, maintenance, turnaround and shutdown projects. Must have prior experience in oil and gas industry. All candidates must have good English communication skill. So friends, if you wish to apply, below is the email ID, and you should apply with your updated CV, educational certificates and passport front and back side scanned copy should be attached. Next is for Sharjah, for a steel construction company. Long-term project client interviews will be on 27th of October. It means this posting is already over. Apologies. Next is for Saudi, for an international printing and packaging company hiring for following positions in their manufacturing division. It's a long-term project. Client interviews will be held very soon at Chennai at Segel office. So the positions are cutting machine operator, folder gluing machine operator, cylinder die cutting machine operator, foil stamping manual machine operator, perfect binding machine operator and packaging workers. Attractive salary plus overtime, food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Interviews on 28 October. Next is for Saudi, urgent requirement, long-term project. The positions are TIG and arc welder, pipe fabricator, industrial electrician. Minimum 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience is required. Shortlisting is in progress. If you wish to apply for these positions, then segilqatar2024@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi. It's a long-term project. Client interview shortly. The positions are glass installer. Candidates should have experience in installation of architectural glass and aluminium for buildings. Machine operators, ITI with experience in CNC and other machines in processing industry. Attractive salary plus overtime will also applicable. Free food or food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Delhi and Kolkata. So you can see the WhatsApp number and email IDs for all the 6 locations. So you can approach to any of your nearest location. Next is for Dubai. It's an urgent requirement for a leading facilities management company. Client interviews by end of October. BMS operator, electronic technician, mechanical technicians, MEP technicians, multi-skilled technicians. All candidates should have diploma, bachelor's degree in engineering, diploma ITI with experience in building maintenance, MEP. Preferably with maintenance experience in hotel, hospital, shopping malls. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Sigil UAE jobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Oman, for a leading pest control company. The position is pest control technicians, preferably with Oman experience. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Resume1@sigilindia.net is the email ID for this posting. Next is for UAE, immediate departure, long-term project. The positions are CRC equipment service engineer, welding supervisor, external automatic welding systems operator, pipe facing machine operators, pipeline spacers, pipeline grinders, pipeline skidders, pipeline supervisors, GMAW, FCAW automatic pipeline welders, semi-automatic pipeline 6G welders, 6G pipeline dolly mix welders, pipeline fabricators and pipeline fitters. Attractive salary plus food and accommodation will and transportation will be provided by company. Shortlisting is in progress. Seagull UAE 2024 @gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. The offices for these postings are Delhi, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Baroda, and Kolkata. Next is for Saudi, Samsung E&A Company Limited. Free recruitment, large requirements. So it's a free recruitment. The position is QC PWHT inspectors. So friends, they have given detailed requirement like experience, certification, and regarding work experience. So you can take a screenshot of this and review it later before you apply. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Candidates should have Gulf experience. Aramco experience is an added advantage. Resume1@seagulindia.net is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Qatar, client interview shortly. This is for a pipeline and electromechanical company. It's a long-term project. So the positions are GRP pipe fitter, 20 openings, pipe fabricator, 20 openings. Minimum 5 years of experience is required. jobs.sigilinternational@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the multiple mobile numbers are also mentioned in the posting. Next is for South Korea. It's a long-term project. Positions are CNC programmer operator. Salary will be 2000 to 2500 US dollar. So the program used, the candidate should have experience or hands-on experience on the mentioned program. So you can read all the details carefully. Must have 5+ years of experience in aerospace industry and excellent knowledge in 5-axis machines. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. CV selection followed by online interview. So these are the contact details. Oil, gas, slg@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So friends, this requirement is for UAE long-term project. The positions are engineering managers or directors, project engineering managers, project engineers, discipline heads, principal engineers, senior engineers, and junior engineers in process, instrumentation, mechanical, piping, electrical, civil, and structural. So the email ID for this posting is engineering@intband.com. Next requirement is for Greece, long-term job. Client interview soon after Diwali. Shortlisting is on. Visit Ambe International Office to submit your CV and passport and other details. HVAC duct manufacturing technicians. These are the detailed requirement given for this posting. Minimum 5 years of experience in India. Gulf experience will be preferred. So friends, you can see the WhatsApp number and email ID is mechanical@indiapersonnel.com. Friends, submitting a passport to agent is a crucial thing. So you should cross-check everything. Once you are sure, then only submit the passport. Don't be hurry in submitting passport to the agents. Next is for Qatar, facility management company. Walk-in interview will be like Zoom interview will be the final interviews. Only ECNR passport candidates can apply. These are the positions: HVAC technician, MEP supervisor, electricians, MEP supervisors. These are the detailed requirement. Next is for Kuwait, for oil and gas refinery maintenance project. Shortlisting in progress. Face-to-face interview at Chennai on 8 November. It's a free recruitment. The positions are engineer system and specialist, engineer analyzer, and engineer instrument maintenance. Bachelor's degree in electronic instrumentation engineering or equivalent. Minimum 8 plus years of experience in petrochemical, gas, power, fertilizer, refinery, or any continuous process plant. Indian experience will be accepted. Very good command over English or Arabic languages. So chennai3@asiapower.co is the email ID for this posting. You can see the detailed address and contact number is also mentioned. Next is for Abu Dhabi. It's a long-term project. All positions minimum 10 to 15 years of experience. Be mechanical, electrical or equivalent. Gulf experience will be preferred. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Immediate departure. So friends, the positions are QA/QC manager, senior QA/QC engineer, senior QA engineer, QA/QC engineer ENP, welding engineer, NDT level 3, QA/QC engineer mechanical, QA/QC engineer civil, QA/QC engineer E&I, QC welding inspector, QC coating and painting inspector, and QC civil inspector. So the email ID for this posting is cv@sheilaconsultants.com. You can see the contact details as well. Next is for UAE, Dubai. The positions are steel fixers, carpenters, scaffolders, masons, electricians, and plumbers. Minimum 10 years of experience in the construction industry. Immediate joiner will be preferred. Submit your CV at careers@vicc.co or uwazir uwazir@vicc.co. So friends, this hiring is from the company directly. For the same company, the positions are finishing foreman, tower crane operators, riggers for tower crane, welders, electricians, and office boy. So you can submit your CV. The email IDs and contact details are remain same. This is for NBTC Abu Dhabi. The position is crane operator, 50 to 100 ton. The number of openings are 25. Salary will be 2000 to 2500 AED plus OT. Valid Gulf crane operators license holder expired. UAE crane operator license holders are preferred. Benefits: free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company, and it's a free recruitment, so you don't need to pay any service charge. Last date of application is 3rd November. You can send your CV on mohammadabu.i@nbtcgroup.com. The email ID is clearly mentioned here. You can take a screenshot. So friends, this was the postings for today's video. I hope you have got your relevant jobs in this video. If you are new on the channel, then please subscribe. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and don't forget to like as well. So I'll be back tomorrow with new video on latest Gulf jobs today. Thank you for watching.